What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is my Sunday faves and nays video. This is basically where I share with you guys the items I've been testing out for the week. I give you like mini reviews, how these items performed for me, and I let you guys know my honest opinion on them. Hope you guys are doing well. I know there wasn't a Sunday faves and nays. I think it's been like a couple of weeks. Sunday faves and nays will be resuming every single Sunday. Before I begin, I just want to say a huge thank you to Jackie. She actually sent me this really sweet goodie package, and she sent this really beautiful dainty necklace. She knows how much I love like dainty jewelry, and thank you so much, Jackie. So just really sweet of you to send me that goodie package, and so super thoughtful. This palette from the brand Maybelline. This is the new Maybelline Soda Pop 12 pan eyeshadow palette. Contains some mattes, some shimmers, and these shadows, you guys, they are incredibly pigmented, so blendable. I'm wearing the shadows today on my eyes. I already filmed a whole review swatch video, including like a mini tutorial using some of these shadows. I'm gonna link that video right up here in the card area. It smells like soda pop with a slight hint of cherry to it. Played around with basically all of the shadows in this palette, and it was just ginger ale that kind of gave me trouble, but the rest definitely on point. I think that's an oldie but a goodie. Kind of rediscovered it. You can tell that this palette is definitely loved just by the packaging. Lorac contour palette. The only one I've been really using in here is this shade down here called Light Contour, which I love this one because it does have more of like a cooler tone to it, which is great to kind of create that shadow. It's what I'm using today for my contour. I also want to make sure that you use a light hand with this palette because it can look muddy if you go heavy-handed with it, but it's a really great palette. I'm glad I rediscovered it. Physicians Formula. This is one of their butter bronzers in the shade Deep Bronzer. The great thing about this does have more of like a warmer tone to it, so it's great for adding warmth to the face. But this formula is so buttery smooth. Glides on so seamlessly on the skin. This intoxicating buttery smell, which I am so drawn to. I've been really enjoying this bronzer just to really warm up my skin. I feel like I've kind of lost some of my tan because I haven't really been out in the sun that much. Trying to hang on to the last bits of summer. Moving into my nays of the week. The first one is going to the brand Physicians Formula. I know I just raved about them, but this is the one that didn't work out for me. This is called the Spotlight Illuminating Primer. It's supposedly like a dupe of the Becca Backlight Filter Primer, which I also do own, but unfortunately I just could not find it. I'm gonna share with you guys what it looks like when you rub it into the skin. It has a really beautiful glow, which I am definitely all about. Gives a very subtle glow to the skin. Because I have oily skin, I wouldn't use this as a primer to give me that dewy look because, in all honesty, for me it would make me look like, you know, a big grease ball. I like to apply this on the high points of my cheeks, around the tip of my nose, and also on my cupid's bow. And that's where I have it right now. I love the way how this looks, especially when the light kind of catches it, because see that it has a glow, but it's not like a bam in your face type of highlight. My biggest gripe about this product is the way how it mixes in with just the oils of my face. Unfortunately, wherever I place this, like right here on my cheeks, it makes that area extremely oily, and that for me is really odd, especially right up here on the high points of my cheeks, because I'm never oily in that area, and it's only whenever I would use this product. I'm gonna try this again probably during the winter, see how this will perform at that time. Last but not the least for my nays is going to the brand Wet n Wild. This is the Color Icon Shade Shifting Blush in this shade, Zombie Blush. This is also limited edition. It's very interesting. It has this green hue to it. It definitely has like a duochrome effect. The light hits it, you can definitely see there's like a mauve-y hint to it, and it is also the blush that I'm wearing today. Let me swatch it because I want you guys to see that it's green when you swatch it. When you apply it to the skin, like I'm just swiping it onto the skin, but it has like this greenish tint to it. But once you apply it with a brush, the really odd thing, it's turns into like this mauvey pink, which I have to say, you guys, I'm definitely like all about the whole entire shade shifting thing. Unfortunately, my biggest gripe with this product is the way how it lays on the skin. Not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but I've had on this blush for a couple of hours now, and even from the beginning when I first applied it, it just goes on so patchy on my skin. Like you can literally see that there are little blotches. It's from the blush. What it is about this formula that it just does not want to lay well on my skin. My husband and I went out to dinner, and then when I came home I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my goodness, you know, it looked pretty bad. It looked really splotchy. It's a beautiful color, but just something about this formula just does not agree with my skin. So before I let you guys go, I want to at least give you guys some feedback on 2 of the items that I picked up from my Trader Joe's Shop With Me haul was it like a week and a half ago? If you guys haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it right up here in the card area. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is the Trader Joe's cauliflower pizza crust. It's made with real cauliflower and corn flour. It's also gluten-free. I wish I had the clips which showed the final product. I basically formatted the card, it wiped everything off of it, so now I don't have a clip to show you guys, but it is essentially a very thin crust cauliflower pizza crust. This is very comparable to the Biology cauliflower pizza crust. If you guys have had that, then I think you guys will love this. You just want to make sure that the crust is pretty much crispy. You don't want there to be any parts that are a little bit soft. That's the only time that you'll be able to tell the difference between cauliflower pizza crust and a regular pizza crust because of the texture. My mom and my husband both tried this, and my mom said the parts where it was soggy, that's where she could tell it was different. She could kind of feel the cauliflower, but she said the parts that were really crispy, that were thoroughly baked, she said she couldn't tell the difference. My husband actually also really liked this. Trader Mings Mandarin orange chicken, savory dish of tender battered chicken with Mandarin orange ginger sauce. Really simple to cook. Placed it on a skillet, cooked it between 8 to 10 minutes, and it was ready to serve. Served it with regular and brown rice, and the taste was very savory. It was definitely very flavorful. The fam really enjoyed it. Alright loves, so that's everything I wanted to share with you for my Sunday faves and nays. Please leave me a comment down below. Let me know what were some of your faves or nays of the week. I would love to know. I love just chatting with you guys in the comment area. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you loves so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you back on Tuesday. Mwah.